Hi! In this tutorial today, we will like to see how to interface the Raspberry Pi Pico with 0.96-inch IPS display and DHT22 and program it with Arduino IDE. For this tutorial, you will need a Raspberry Pi Pico, 0.96-inch IPS display, DHT22, a breadboard and a few jumper wire. The connection between the devices are as shown. Once the hardware are done, we can now start to code. For this tutorial, you will need to use the Adafruit ST7735 and GFX library for the display and the DHT library for the DHT22 sensor. We can now compile and upload the code. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Till we meet in our next tutorial, thank you and bye-bye.